and I'll explain about the assignment I got of Docker, Nginx reverse proxy, and using Docker. So we have two applications. One is golang one, and next one is the Python one, and both are exposed on port 8001 and 8002 respectively. And we have the project structure of directories here. Look at it. And now let's see. So I created Docker file for both services, service 1 and service 2, and I also created Nginx and Docker Compose file. So let's see each all of them one by one. First one is Docker file for service 1. So in this one I used base image as golang 1.23, and I created multi-stage Docker file and then expose port 8001. And since it's an standalone application, so it doesn't require any dependency. So next one is we have Docker file for service 2, that was Flask based application, and I used here a Python 3.11 slim image and it installed dependencies as required and copy the required file and then expose the port 8002. And next one is I created an nginx.conf file in which I uh, expose service 1 and service 2, and then accessed it, combined it to the this location at port 8080. And next one, and I also created Docker file for Nginx one. It is pretty simple. We can look at here. And next one is the most important. We have Docker Compose file. So yeah, Docker Compose file contains three services: service one and service two, and of course Nginx file. So let's run Docker Compose file and see how it behaves. So the command for running Docker Compose file is Docker Compose 1 minute up double hyphen build. So let's see how it behaves. So as given in problem statement, both applications, Python based and Flask based, were running on different endpoints at different ports at 8001 and 802. At this case, now both the applications are running on single port and exposed via different endpoints. So we can see service 1 is running at a hello endpoint and it shows message hello from service 1. That's great. And so let's expose ping. Yeah, ping is running fine. Says service status is okay. And let's expose service 2. So yeah, service 2 is running, status okay. You can see that it has single port 8080, and last one is hello. Yeah, that message hello from service 2. It means that application is running perfectly. Now we can see log files for Nginx and see it. Open we share another PowerShell, and first of all we see the image is running and Nginx is running and service 1 and service 2 is running, and it also shows the health status. uh, I put it as bonus, and apart from that we also see Nginx logs. So yeah, it shows Nginx logs, it shows, we can see it here. So that's how the application runs, and we can stop it using command. We have it is stop, and we can also stop it like that. Docker compose down. That's it. That's how our application is exposed at single port as the desired in the problem statement. Thank you.